So now we'll discuss about distance relay. Distance relay. So distance protection is widely used protective scheme for the protection of high or an extra high voltage transmission lines. So here the conventional overcurrent relay is either directional or non-directional, depend on the magnitude of current or power in the protected circuit. So this ratio is proportional to the distance along the line, and the relay that measures the distance is called distance protection relay. So it is not unit system of protection. A single scheme provides both primary and backup protections. Main principle is there is one voltage element from potential transformer and current element fed from current transformer of the system. The reflecting torque is produced by secondary current of current transformer, and restoring torque is produced by voltage of potential transformer. So in normal operating conditions, the restoring torque is more than the deflecting torque. So here hence the clear operation of working principle of distance relay depends upon the ratio of the system voltage and current. This ratio is nothing but impedance. So the relay which only operate when this voltage to current ratio becomes less than its predetermined value. So as the impedance of the transmission line is directly proportional to its length, it can easily be concluded that a distance relay can only operate if fault is occurred within the predetermined distance or length of line. Torque equation. So the impedance relay is a double actuating relay and essentially consists of two elements operated, voltage element and current element. So the current operate elements produce a positive while the voltage element develops a negative torque. So at balance point, when the relay is on extreme of operating, the net torque is 0. Operating characteristics regarding voltages V and current I is given, that is a notable bend in the characteristic only at the current low end. So here in the diagram you can see the impedance of the transmission line, and the types of distance protection relay is impedance relay, reactance relay and more relays. So first is the impedance relay. So impedance relay measures the impedance of the line at the relay location. So when the fault occurs in the protection line section, the measured impedance is the impedance of the line section between the relay location and the point of fault. That is the off is the distance along with the line between the relay location and the fault location. Construction of impedance relay. Here is the diagram you can see. It shows the simple arrangement of impedance relay. The balance beam type EM relay is used as the impedance relay. Current transformer and potential transformer are energized by the current and voltage of the circuit which is to be protected. And the operating principle is it has a fixed beam and two electromagnets. So one EM is energized by voltage of the zone through potential transformer, other EM is energized by current of zone through current transformer. Since this type of relay operates based on the impedance of the circuit, in which it turns depends upon the distance of the fault of the relay location, it is called as distance relay. And the current produces a positive torque called operating torque, and the voltage produces a negative torque called restraining torque. The equation of operating torque is T equal to K1 I2 minus K2 V2 minus K3. So K1, K2, K3 are the constants. And neglecting the effect of spring used, the torque equation is given as T equal to K1 I2 minus K2 V2. So here the above expression explains that the relay is on the verge of the operation when the ratio of V to I. The relay operates if the measured Z is less than the given constant. So here the distance relay can also be called as a ohmmeter, measuring the impedance of the line in ohms. Thank you.